Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna see how to use the left, right formula and the find formula in Excel. So these three formula are pretty much easy. So let's find out how does it work. So the first one is the left formula. So as the name suggests, it helps you to extract the particular text from the left side. Now we'll see with an example. So how does it work? You just need to put in here as left. Now it says the first argument you need to give is the text, so we need to extract from this particular cell. Now how many characters you want to extract? You just need to provide a number. So I want Excel to extract 4 characters from that. So when I hit enter, you can see it has started from the left side, that is from 2664. So from the left side it has extracted 4 numbers for me right here. Similarly, if we just drag it out here as well, so it has extracted the 4 text from the left hand side. So as the name suggests, it will start from the left side. So it in this particular text as well, it has extracted 4 alphabets for us in this as well. Now this is the similar way a right formula works. Now as the name suggests, it will extract the data from the right side of it. Now similarly, we need to provide the particular cell, and let's say we want to extract 5 alphabets or numbers. Now see, it has started from the left side. So when you start from the left side, we have 1 2 3 4 5, like 6 5 3 1 1 5. So it has extracted 5 numbers for us. Now similarly, we'll drag and copy it here. So you can see this in this text as well, it has extracted 5 alphabets for us in this as well. Now this is very much simple left and right formula. Now what does the find formula does? As this is also same, as the name suggests, it will help you to find the particular text or particular number or particular alphabet from a particular cell. So let's say if we want to find out that from this particular cell like B5, what is the position of number 3? Now I want Excel to find that. So what we'll do is, you just need to activate the formula as find. What you need to find, the first argument is we want to find the number 3, where it is in that particular cell, and you need to provide the cell number. You need to give an argument there, and you just need to close the bracket and hit enter. So you can see the Excel says that the number 3 is sitting at number 8 position. Now similarly, if we just copy it and paste down here, now you can see the number 3 is present in the 9th position here. Yeah, so that's the way it, now if you want to find this for a particular text, let's say we want to find where is M in this one. Now we need to find where is M, and you just need to select the cell. Now the M is sitting at number 7. Now remember one thing, the find function also counts the space as a 1 position. So if you can see, the Sunil has a 5 alphabets in here, and the space is at a 6th position and M is a 7th position. That's why the find formula has given us the value as 7. So if we are finding for a space, let's say I want to find out what's in, so after the inverted commas, just give a small space out here and just press enter. So you can see the Excel has still the space is sitting at number 6 position. Similarly, if we just copy this one and paste in here, in this particular case the space is present at 7th position. So this is the way you can use left, right and find formula. Thank you guys for watching it.